In this video, let's go ahead and take a deep dive into editing with Creatr. Let's add our prompt first. Either we can go ahead and submit this prompt, but before doing that, let me go ahead and enhance it. What enhancement does is it expands the prompt into something that Creatr understands even better. Once the enhanced prompt is ready, you can go ahead and give it a go. On the left section, you can see Creatr thinking and giving reasoning to the code that it's writing on the right section. We can see our integrations on the left side, Superbase, ChatGPT recent, and we can also track project analytics once deployed. This is the token utilization count, and here are the project settings. This is the name of the project. Let's go ahead and change the name to car washers. On the top right side, you can see multiple options like export to GitHub, fork, share, and deploy. Deploy is currently inactive because the project is being built. In case you have a feedback for Creatr, you can go ahead and click on feedback, and it would take you to Featurebase, where you can add your feedback by creating a new post. Now that the landing page is ready, it only has a hero section. Let's go ahead and ask Creatr to add the next section, which would be the pricing section. Let's go ahead and submit our prompt. While that is going on, in case you entered the wrong prompt and you don't want it to be executed, you can always go ahead and click on stop, and that would stop the prompt being submitted to Creatr and being generated into a newer version. Now that the pricing section is also added, we can always go ahead and ask Creatr to change its text by going to select element, click on a specific element, and asking Creatr to update its name. We can say basic wash, change text. Now this is a small edit, so it's going to be implemented super quickly. Now we can go ahead and pinpoint our change to other elements as well, and we can ask it to change the text here again. Now the text is updated for everything. Let's go ahead and add another section. Every time a project faces an error, Creatr always tries to fix it 5 times by itself, so you don't have to press a key. Here we have our services section ready, and we also have our pricing section. Let's go ahead and check if the anchoring works, and it works flawlessly. Now what we can try to do is we can check the responsiveness of this page. So let's go ahead and open it in mobile. And you can see that these elements are stacked horizontally instead of vertically. So what we can do is we can go ahead and again select the elements, and let's ask Creatr to stack it vertically. And now you can see the alignment has been fixed, and now it's fully responsive. Let's do the same thing for our pricing section. Nice, even the pricing section has been aligned vertically. But in case, let's just say that we don't like this version and we have to revert back to the previous version. What we can do is we can go back to the version history. We can click on any of the previews of our previous versions, and we can see what Creatr has on that particular version, and we can always switch back to that particular version. It's very easy to switch back to the latest version also. You can go back to preview and you can always switch back to the latest version, no matter if you have switched to the version history before or not. Now since our project is almost ready, let's go ahead and deploy this. It takes a split second to deploy, and now you can share this link with your friends.